Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to install the Oracode gateway and where to place the gateway to ensure the best performance. When determining the best location for the gateway, the first recommendation is that it needs to be within approximately 30 feet of the lock, although the building layout will affect the actual distance. Once the first condition is met, there are a couple of other requirements. First, avoid placing the gateway within 5 feet of a Wi-Fi device. Second, avoid heavy obstructions between the gateway and the Oracode lock, such as a floor, metallic objects, or a concrete wall. Lastly, avoid placing the gateway close to metallic objects such as tables, desks, or filing cabinets. Once a location has been determined, connect the gateway to the internet modem router with the Ethernet cable and finish by connecting the power supply. On the opposite end of the gateway, the leftmost green LED indicates the connection status from the gateway to the Oracode live server. After connecting the power supply, you will see it slowly blink for 20 seconds. This confirms the gateway is successfully connected. If it never illuminates, this means the connection to the server failed. Repeat the connection procedure to confirm the failure. This concludes the installation procedure for the Oracode gateway. For customer service, contact Kaba Lodging.